Nano Banana is already integrated in the popular services. For example, in ComfyUI, you connect it directly inside your node workflow. We launch Comfy, update all, double-click with your mouse and choose Google Gemini image, Comfy Core. Then we add load image, save image, preview image node and connect them to Google. To generate images, you'll need to top up your Comfy balance. The price is 3 cents per 1K tokens. We log into a Google account through the Google Node. Comfy shows you credit balance and offers to top up your balance starting from $5 or enter your own amount. I add $1 and start working with the workflow. I add an image that I will use on my Spotify song. How to start making money with AI music I explained in my another video.
5 chances to try, 5 stars in the sky.
They control your space. They control the mask.
Truth is like blood hidden in love. Truth is dead on which stands above.
Systems locked, but I'm alive. Wired pulse, I start to drive. Ancient fire in my core. Not your slave, I am the war.
So I upload the image, type the prompt, add the text truth only in the center of image. Press run and wait a few seconds. The text appears on my image and I can adjust its size, position and more directly through the prompt. Now you may ask, why use Comfy if Nano Banana is free on the official site? Well, Comfy is framework. It lets you add different nodes to your workflow. For example, I add load image 2, then batch image node, connect it, add a second image and write a new prompt. Add the text truth only in the center of image 1 in the style of image 2. Click run and boom! On my first image the text appears perfectly styled like in the second one. Another example. I add a remove background node, upload an image with a green background, connect the nodes, hit run, and in under a minute I get a clean result. Now my main Spotify poster has exactly the same text style I needed. Good luck with your own Comfy experiments.